So I'm sure the biggest thing everybody wants to know is price going to go up or is it going to go down? And we've dealt with a lot of volatility as of late. We have dealt with those ups and downs. But in the next 24 hours, we are probably going to get a sense of clarity about what the week heading into January 20th is going to be. And we're going to talk about that in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So although we had this big drop day across the market to start yesterday, we had a huge recovery back, and I am impressed, and you guys should be as well. The fact that Shiba Inu keeps showing this extreme level of resilience at 4021 and it keeps closing its daily candles above here is impressive. It's right now acting like one of the most impressive assets across the crypto market. And that may fall on deaf ears because I'm sure some people want us to break out and run, but understand the type of resilience you are seeing in this range. You do not see this often. And SHIB once again staying above its 200-day moving average. I know some people are going to reference the 20-day crossing the 100-day moving average. Really doesn't matter. Hasn't really mattered in the past anytime that this has happened. So really just be prepared because in 24 hours time, we are actually going to be getting the next CPI report. So the question is, what are we expecting at that time? And it's tough to say. Inflation has been running just slightly hot, nothing too crazy. But my question is, have we seen enough of these economic concerns to slow down spending? And the data may in fact show this. Obviously, the Fed minutes came out. They already have concerns about this increasing inflation. This is probably why across the market, we've dealt with this broader cool down rather than seeing a nice rally here. If you guys remember, typically around Christmas and heading into the new year, we get a nice rally, a nice Christmas rally. January tends to be explosive in general, but it hasn't. It's been the exact opposite of that. It's been blah. In fact, when we look at something like Shiba Inu's monthly candle, it's been not a great one, right? Yes, it is positive. It's up 0.76%. Nothing really to write home about, right? But the question is are people waiting for this data to come out? And the answer is yeah. Every time we've gotten one of these economic reports, one of these macro reports, they have impacted the market in a big way. So in the next 24 hours, we're going to get probably a sense of direction of where we're headed into January 20th. Now, understand that means three possible things, right? If we have a really good CPI report, inflation data is low, we came in better than expectations, you are probably going to see assets on the climb, okay? If we do see a hot report, would not be surprised by maybe another little shakeout in the market. Would love to confirm a higher low here if we do get that, and that's something that we have to watch for as well. But if it's just kind of a mid report and nobody really cares and it doesn't do anything, we may just trend sideways. All right. Now it might seem kind of non-committal, and understand that this report is going to weigh. It's going to provide or have a lot of gravity to it. And the reason why is this is the last economic report that we're getting before Inauguration Day. So this is going to basically gauge how we're heading into the new administration. So hopefully it ends up on the good side. Now, what people do need to know is there is something that has been weighing on the market, and that is the fact that we are not going to get an interest rate decrease in the next FOMC meeting, which is coming post inauguration. So right now, the odds are actually at a 2.7% chance that we get a decrease. This should be 0% chance. Frankly, it's not happening, and it may not happen for some time soon. They're basically playing this wait and see approach, and unfortunately, we're going to have to wait and see. And when we look across the crypto market, yes, we've had some green. We had a nice bounce back. We're treading water, but that's what the approach that most people are taking is wait and see. And again, when we look at this USDT dominance, that's exactly what this is showing, guys. It's sideways since December 19th. It has been almost a month of almost no change in the market. Okay. So things are boring. I get it, right? I'd love for assets to run and start taking off, but understand that again, tomorrow is probably going to provide a sense of direction. It might be a nice little burst to get a little run going in the market, and then basically compound that with the inauguration of the new administration coming in. These could be very pro bullish things for crypto and across the market in general. We're not seeing an extreme sense of excitement. It's getting a little bit better. And frankly, Shiba Inu has been doing quite well. Again, you just look at the last 7 days. Yesterday was a nice day, up 6%. I mean, SHIB's doing just fine, but we have to clear some of this impending crap first, right before, and then we have the ability to take off. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Pay attention. Tomorrow is a very, very big deal. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think we're going to get in this report? Is this something that is going to start lifting Shiba Inu price to the upside? But have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.